Welcome to Lely Resort in Naples, Florida. The community sits on approximately 2,900 acres and includes many gated and non-gated single-family home and condo neighborhoods and is known for its wide royal palm-lined boulevards. Lely Resort amenities include 3 championship golf courses, the 7,230-yard Mustang and the 7,095-yard Flamingo, which are public, and the 6,714-yard Classics course, which is private. Golf memberships are optional to Lely residents. The main social club at Lely Resort is the expansive Players Club and Spa, in which membership is mandatory for some residents in Lely Resort. The community is located about 20 minutes from downtown Naples and the beaches and about 20 minutes from Marco Island beaches. A wide variety of shopping and dining options are just within a few minutes' drive. For information on resale homes at Lely Resort, please contact Southwest Coast Realty in Naples. Call 239-229-9926. There is a link to the available resale homes in the video description below. Thanks for watching.